Right, so this is the USPro 3508 impact socket set, and for once it's a really good comprehensive set, both shallow and deep. Normally there's quite a few skips in these, but look at this, all the way through. So what do you get? Well, let's have a look. You get the full foam tray, deep and shallow. Perfect in my view. Sockets are well made, 6 points. Nice selection of sizes, up to 32. 32 in deep. So, pretty comprehensive set. The great thing is it comes in a foam. Ordinarily it's boxes, which is okay if you're working out of a van, working on site. But these sit lovely in the tool drawer. Got the nailed attachment there. So what we've got? We've got 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 24, 27, 30 and 32 in deep. Then we've got all the way through in shallow to 32. Again, all the great sizes, 24. Normally most sets stop at 24, but we go all the way through to 32. So there we are. Pretty outstanding set in my view. That's 3508 USPro.